Oh
crap, did I record this?
You did, right? Did you?
Of course.
Oh, I was like, no way, man. My G.I. Jane moment. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of New Parents in Training. So, as you can see here, I have a box. I ordered something from Amazon, and you can see my hair is like so long. Normally, I go to a haircut place to get my haircut, but with the baby, it's kind of hard to get out of the house on the time that I want to go get a haircut. And so, well, yeah, so I ordered a clipper from Amazon. This just came in. So this is a one that use battery. So with all the warning label. So I'm gonna unbox this and I'm gonna attempt to cut my own hair today. All right, let's get to it. This is the actual shipping box, by the way. Anyway, so I ordered the Remington. I will link the product description down below so you can go check it out. So this is the Remington clipper. This is the Remington Shortcut Pro clipper. We have a little pouch here. I think this is where you store the clipper. Manual. All different sizes of clippers. And the charger. So this clipper came with 8 different sizes. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5 64s, 3 32s, 3 16, and 5 8. The charger is right here. Got a little brush. Let me open this as well. So some of the reason why I want to get this is one, the price is very reasonable, and also see the front here is curved. It's supposed to go how the sculpt will be. The previous model works just the same, but the only difference is that when the battery is out, when you recharge it, you cannot use it. For this model, it's supposed to be while you are charging the battery itself, you can still use the clipper. So let me just test it out real quickly. So right now the clipper's battery is still charged, uh, as you can see here. And let's just plug this in to see if it will run while it's being recharging. The light will be on. It still works. So in case of you running out of battery, you can just plug this into the charger and charge it while you use it. So just in case you like halfway through cutting your own hair and and the battery is out, right? It's supposed to just hold it in the palm of your hand and just go cut your hair. And also some of the other feature that this thing has is that it came with the oil to lubricate the blades. So every time that after you use it, you're supposed to clean the brush and even rinse it if you need to, and apply oil on top of it afterward. The pouch itself is big enough to hold the clipper, but not big enough for you to take multiple guys that you see here. So you're probably just going to be able to put like one in here when you go traveling. But yeah, that's about it. If you're squeezing hard enough, I'm pretty sure you can put a charger in there as well. So I'm gonna go attempt to cut my own hair. So the lower the number that you go, the shorter your hair is going to be. If it's for some people that want to just shave their hair, might be just without the guy and then just use the uh, blade itself. Okay, so before we're gonna start, because I've never done this before, so I have some of the guys here. So I have size 1, 2, and 3. So the bigger the number, of course, the longer your hair will be. I mean, it won't cut as much. So I'm gonna start out with number 3, just in case things go wrong. Uh, I might have to go to a haircut place later today. Anyway, wish me luck. Oh God. Okay, so pretty simple, right? Good thing I didn't go with number 2. Number 3 is already short enough. So yeah, there's a whole lot of hair here, but it's quite straightforward. You just push against your scalp and just go at it. The hardest part is the side, especially behind the ear. I try to go behind and then come forward, and then go from front to back. It's a little bit complicated if you're just unable to do it. Um, but overall, I think it cut pretty well. I haven't had this hairstyle since I was middle school. It looks weird. My wife was filming this and she was laughing the whole time. So anyway, let me show you how to wash this and then we're just gonna conclude this video. As you can see here, after the haircut, there's so much hair that got stuck in between the guy and the blade here. So you just have to use the provided brush to clean all the hair off. So once that's been cleaned, you can just rinse this. Once you rinse this, set this aside for it to dry. And now the blade itself, first off, you turn the clipper on and then run it through the water. This is not waterproof, but it's water resistant. So just rinse all the hair off even more. Once you have done so, now you turn the clipper off and remove the blade itself so you can rinse the inside as well. So what you do is you see the arrow sign here, you just push it and it should come right off. And now just rinse the inside as well. Okay, so once you have rinsed the blade and the clipper, make sure you set it aside and just let it dry. So I'll let the clipper dry for 2 days and now I'm going to lubricate the blade itself. So it suggests that after every use, not only you brush off the clipper, but also you wash it and let it dry and then apply lubricant oil on top. So what you do is you put a few drops in between the blade and then turn the clipper on. This way, because it's now vibrating, it will move the oil around to lubricate the entire blade itself. After you have done so, then you are set to put this in the storage until the next usage. Okay, so hopefully you guys found this video to be informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.